All right, today we're going to bring a motorcycle lift. It took me about 2 minutes to put together, to be honest with you. It's just 2 screws in there and the last screw to tighten it up, the actual handle. Now this thing can lift a lot of weight. I'm going to put a description here how much it can lift. It has stabilizers that I like. You could tie them down too with these. These actually screw down. It has 2 adjustable wheels, anywhere location, if you guys can see the wheels. They don't rotate, the ones in the back. These do. And this can even angle different directions in case your bike is in a different angle. This can be used for a lot more than just a bike. These e-bikes are really heavy these days. You can fix e-bikes. Now, don't recommend you cars, all right? This is not for cars. And I'm going to show you a couple of things that you should be aware that are very important, all right? This is to bring it down. This is to unlock it and bring it down. You can push a button with your feet, all right? It does have this stick here, and I'm going to show you what it is for, right? This is very useful. You need it for a couple things, just so you can remove the lock, because it is not recommended to do with your hands, all right? So we're going to lift this up first, all right? So lifting is simple. All you got to do is just lift. That's pretty much it. You want to change this out, you can, all right? That's the option. So we're going to lift a little higher, and I'm going to show you a couple things you should be aware. Now, here is a magnetic, all right? And it drops down. You see the locks? This is in case you have a heavy duty bike and you don't want to drop it. You want to make sure. And it goes on the other side too. It's magnetic, all right? So right now we're not even in lock. We're going to keep going until we lock it in place, all right? The last part right here. And then we're just going to look for the last part. There it is. So we got it locked. This is to secure in case there's a bike in the rack right now. The stick is to remove it as a safety thing, and then magnetic, all right? That's what the stick is for, right? To remove with the magnet. So I'm gonna put it there. You guys can see again. It locks in place right there. I'm gonna show you guys. This thing is heavy duty. I'm gonna bring myself down on it. Do not try this at home. This is only for demo. All right, for demo purposes, I'm going to show you that this thing does not drop fast. It drops real slow. I'm going to get myself up here. I removed the locks, and I'm about 200 and something pounds. Go ahead. Keep holding it. So if you guys can see, this is not going to drop immediately. It's going to drop really slow, and that's pretty much it. Lock your wheels if you're ever going to do this. Make sure you have it in a stable place. This is only for demo purposes. I hope you guys enjoy the video.